Welcome to FutureBit, the place where tech meets simplicity. In this video, we are diving into the world of web development. Whether you are just curious or plan to become a developer, this series will guide you step by step. Web development is a process of building and maintaining website. It includes everything from creating simple static web page to complex web application like YouTube or online store. It generally divided into two parts, front-end and back-end development. Let's see how website work. As you can see on the screen, when you open the website, here's what happened behind the scene. You type the web address like Google into your browser. When you type it, the browser will send the request to web server, which send back the code, actually HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It send back to your browser. Browser take that code and turn into the visual site you see. It's like ordering food at a restaurant. You place an order. It is a request. That means your placing order is like sending a request to server. And the kitchen. Kitchen is like a server. Kitchen prepare the dish and send it back to you. That is your web page. The dish that you received to your table. So that is the simple way we can explain how the website works. In this screen, you can see user's browser, send the request to web server, and web server send back the response. Response comes with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. When it is received to your browser turn it into a meaningful way, into a graphical visual site that what you see. So next, we'll talk about front end versus back end. Front end is what users see in the browser. It is design, layout, and interaction. That is what in the browser, that always in the front end part. The back end is the engine behind the scene that it handles data servers and the database, those things it's handled behind. It's in the web server. Both work together to deliver complete experience. So that's how it's work. Next, talk about tools. What you need to start web development. Here's our what tools that you need: Visual Code Editor, VS Code Editor, VS Code Editor. So Visual Studio Code. Obviously, you always have a Chrome or Firefox with your computer, the browser you need. And the other thing you need is the web server. You have the browser client side. To do the coding, you need a code editor, and to run you need the web server. That's like a kitchen. So for that, you need a special software called. There are different kind of softwares. So this tutorial will go with the XAMPP server. There are the software called XAMPP. So I will show you here. XAMPP. XAMPP. You can install this software on Windows environment and the XAMPP server. These are the two different software. You don't need to install both. You need one of them. So this software contain backend. So it's come with this backend server. So it will turn your computer into a server, website server. So once you install, your computer work like a website server. So in the local environment, you can develop using code editor. You can develop the create a web page, and then you with your browser you can send the request to your own computer web server. So it will give the web page. So we will with the next tutorial we will talk about how we're going to do that and how to develop the development journey. We'll start with next tutorial. So uh, see you on the next video, and please remember to like, subscribe, and join with the Future Bits community. Thank you.